Hey everybody, Paula here. So today I want to show you how quickly and easily you could sign a document in eZsign. So let's suppose that your brokerage needs you to sign off on your transaction reports for a given transaction. You will receive notification via email. This is what the email is going to look like. So you're going to receive something from eZsign indicating, okay, hello, Rebecca. Paula from admin has sent you a document to consult and sign. Please sign directly in your eZmax application. So you do have to log on to your eZmax, but the beauty is that you're able to be on the road and just open up your mobile app by clicking on the button, or just go on your desktop app, and then wherever you are, you will see from the home page pending signatures. You click there, you go into the folder, and now you're able to review the document. And when you're ready to sign, you just click here, sign, and you're done. When the document is signed, you will receive an email where you'll be able to download the document to save. You see the email right here, and then you'll be able to have access to it. But you also have access to the document in the platform, because as soon as the document is signed, it goes right back into your EDM. So you could go from the transaction, you click here, and you will have access to your signed transaction report. All right, so I hope this was helpful to you. Use it well. Take care.